So I got the lathe installed on a footing, and I'm working on leveling it. And so as I'm coming across the bed, it's level here, 1/2 thousandths that way, 1/2 thousandths towards the back, level. This is all where the headstock bolts right here. So from here back is a headstock. Sorry about the focus on this camera. So from here back is a headstock. We got level, 1/1000th towards me, 1/2 thousandths away, 1/2 thousandths away, level. So where the back of the headstock and the front of headstock sit are both level. 2 thousandths towards me, level again, 1/2 thousandths, level. 1 thousandths towards me, 1/2 thousandths towards me. Three-quarters of a thousandths away, 1/2 thousandths away, level. 2 thousandths towards me, and 1.5 thousandths towards me. And this is where the tailstock sits when it's all the way back from here, back. 1.5 towards me, 1 towards me. So the tailstock could be about 1 thousandths towards me. The headstock should be level. And then there's all the variation, I guess, from wear over the years. Right in the center of the screen there's a level spot. And then just in front of the tailstock again is another level spot right there with it going either way. I don't think it's bed twist, I think it's wear in the ways. So if anybody has any input, that would be appreciated. So we'll start at the back. Level. 1/2 thousandths away, 1/2 thousandths away, level. 1 thousandths towards me, 2 thousandths towards me, level. 1/2 thousandths away, level again. 1 thousandths towards me, 1/2 thousandths towards me. 3/4 thousandths away, 1/2 thousandths away, level. 1.5 towards me, 1.5 towards me, 1 towards me. Should I bring this section to level, or should I leave the level spots across the bed? Any thoughts would be appreciated.